This video is all about verbal expressions that we use in math, which basically means we're going to take a mathematical sentence that is written out using words, and we are going to write that using numbers. And then we're going to do the opposite. We're going to start with numbers, and then we're going to put that in a sentence with words. We're going to start by looking at this table that is basically just keywords for different operations. You're going to have to know when the mathematical expression has addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and eventually you're going to need to know where to put that equal sign. So here are some keywords, not a list of every keyword, but it's the ones that are going to show up the most. So for addition, you're going to see sum, plus, increase, more than, gain, deposit, and ascend. All of those mean that there is addition in the mathematical expression. For subtraction, we have difference, minus, decrease, less than, lose, spend, and fewer. Some keywords for multiplication are product, per, each, every, of. You're going to see of a lot with fractions, half of, 3/4. You would multiply those. Then you've got words that mean multiplying by a certain number: twice, double, triple, quadruple. Division, you're going to see quotient, fraction, split, evenly distributed. And then for equals, your most common ways to say equals are saying the words is, was, are, makes, and gives. So now that we have those keywords, let's go ahead and write out our expressions in mathematical terms. So twice just means 2 times. So 2 times 2. Okay, we're writing it out just in that order there. Then we've got 4 increased by 7. So 4 increased is plus 7. So we're just taking the order that this is written in, and we are just making our mathematical sentence match that same order. Okay, 8 less than 40. So we've got 8 less than is minus 40. And in my head, I kind of think 8 minus 40. 40 is bigger than 8, so that's going to equal negative 32. But wait a second. 8 less than 40? If you have $40 and I have 8 less than you, I have $32, not negative 32. So that's wrong. Something's different. This has to be 40 minus 8. So there's a little key here that when you see less than, that word than means you need to switch the order. So this isn't 8 minus 40. It needs to be 40 minus 8. You need to switch these two. So the word than means you switch the order of the numbers. So for this last problem, 6 more than the product of 4 and a number. 6 more than. Okay, so that's 6 more than. I see that word than. So I'm just going to go ahead and write plus 6 because I know it's something plus 6. More than what? It's the product of 4 and a number. And so product means multiply. This one has 2 operations. Product of 4 and a number, 4x. There it is. Okay, so we've got 4x plus 6. Now we have to go from the numbers to writing words. And there's lots of different ways to say this in words. So I'm going to show you 3 examples for each of them. I see x plus 5. We could just say a number, so we don't know what x x is exactly a number plus 5. Or 5 more than a number. Again, that more than means that it was something plus 5. The sum of a number and 5. All of these, plus, more than, sum, they all mean add. So that's why we can use any of them. There are actually more ways to say this. You could probably think of 3 more ways of your own. So as long as it means addition and it's x or a number plus 5, you've got it. Here we have 3x minus 9. Maybe you want to say triple a number, because that means 3 times, minus 9. Maybe you like 9 less than 3 times a number. Again, that less than means it's something minus 9. Or maybe you want the difference. Difference means subtraction. Difference of 3 times a number and 9. Whichever way you choose to say it is fine. And so to help you with these problems, you should definitely go back to that table of the keywords. That will be helpful for writing sentences and also writing numerical expressions. Good luck!